This is the TOWILD BC10 flashlight. Compact, powerful, and built for anything you throw at it. 4,000 lumens of brightness, waterproof design, and a Type-C rechargeable port. It's the ultimate everyday carry for adventurers, DIYers, or anyone who loves being prepared. It's crafted from high-grade aluminum and rated IPX8 waterproof, so it can handle heavy rain or even submersion. With a massive 4,000 lumen output, it lights up distances up to 500 meters, perfect for outdoor use or emergencies. Inside, there's a 5,000 milliamp hour 21700 rechargeable battery, giving you plenty of runtime. Plus, you can even use it as a power bank to charge your phone, handy in a pinch. The Type-C port makes recharging fast and easy, keeping your flashlight ready to go whenever you need it. It's tough, reliable, and loaded with features. Whether you're camping, working late, or just want a flashlight you can count on, the TOWILD BC10 EDC has got your back.